Lockjaw! Yeah? The Grand Hall.
We are ready to proceed to the center.
Descendants of those left behind when we made the move to the moon. Our researchers barely support us as we are. We should be going there.
What's going on?
Maximus is trying to take over Adeline.
What? How? No, we all have to escape.
Crystal!
Lockjaw, take Karnak to where Gorgon is, then come right back.
Crystal! No! No, not me!
Now let's find Medusa. Medusa!
Triton and Gorgon are gone,
We have to get out. What? We will.
and now it's all no rain.
Take her to the others, and then come right back.
What the?
Hey, what's going on here, man?
Where did you send me?
You really think I'm listening? Lockjaw, take me to Black Bolt and the others. No. Lockjaw, wake up!
Gather up whatever you need, whoever you need. Then transport to Earth and take care of the royal family.
Take care of.
Bring back.
I know who you